Hi, welcome to Ask a Remodeler, where we answer our clients' most asked questions that we hear every day. I'm Chris Fox, Design Sales Manager of Fox Home Innovations. We are a design, remodel, build firm that focuses on quality construction and design work with an emphasis on delivering the ultimate client experience. Let's get started. Today, we're going to answer the question, how do you get an estimate? An estimate comes from our site visit and really gets us moving into the proposal process. During this process, we're taking all the information that we learned at the site visit, including your wants, your needs, your dreams, the existing site conditions, the photos that we've taken, and some of the measurements we've taken to put together an initial scope of work. Understanding that this is going to be very preliminary and there's a lot of things we don't know right now. When that proposal is complete, we're going to send it over to your email for your review so that you have the time to review it at your leisure and make a list of questions. The final step of our proposal process is a time for you to come into our space. We can sit down, you can get to know our team. We'll walk through project examples of previous projects that we've done that are similar to the scope of work that you're looking at, and then answer any of your questions. At this point, what we're really doing is understanding you, your goals, your home, and extrapolating that and communicating it in a budget and number-friendly way. We're still at the preliminary stage, but we're going to talk about how do we get from where we are now to you enjoying your new space. That's how you get an estimate. Thank you for watching our video today. Make sure you're following us on all the social media platforms and reach out to us to learn more.